I'm Casey Halloran, co-founder of the Namu Travel Group here in San Jose, Costa Rica. My team and I want to let you know how we're handling this crisis. Now, we understand that many of you are hurting because we've been listening to you. I've spoken to some of you myself, and I get where you're coming from. I want to say that I am sorry if we've added to your stress during this already difficult time. This is an ever-changing situation, and we are working hard with our partners, our team, our customers, and the Costa Rican government to design personalized solutions. Costa Rica has been a leader in its response to COVID-19. We will be a leader in our response. We do not have all the answers today, but we have principles that guide us. Two of those are empathy and transparency. So we will keep listening and informing you every step of the way. My roommate and I co-founded this business in 1999. We didn't start with much, but we did have shared values. Those values saw us through many tough times and also generated years of goodwill. I'm proud of that, as well as our relationship with the local community in Costa Rica. Right now, I'm asking you to help us by holding on to two essential beliefs. One, this storm will pass. And two, when it does, both we and Costa Rica will be ready to welcome you to this paradise we call home. So please stay safe, stay home, stay in touch. We are all in this together.